Alright guys. Let's keep this super casual. So far, we've talked about SQL tables and JSON document folders like they are mortal enemies fighting a war. A lot of my friends ask me, man, do I have to pick one side forever? What if my app is a weird mix of both? The good news is, absolutely not. The big secret in the database world right now is convergence. They are literally merging into one giant hybrid tool. For example, hardcore SQL databases like Postgres added massive updates so you can natively save and search raw JSON folders right inside your strict SQL tables. And what about the NoSQL side? The exact same thing is happening. Famous NoSQL document databases like MongoDB and RethinkDB realized that developers actually really need joins. So, they started building relational join features into their systems. In the future, almost every major database will be a hybrid, giving you the best of both worlds without the stress. Okay. Moving on. Let's talk about the coolest part, how we actually ask the database to fetch our stuff. There are basically two styles of coding in the world, imperative and declarative. Think of imperative code like micromanaging a chef at a restaurant. You literally have to write a step-by-step loop. You say, walk to the fridge, grab the cheese, grate it, put it on the dough, put it in the oven, wait 10 minutes. You have to write all the logic yourself. Normal languages like JavaScript and Python are mostly imperative. Writing out every single step for a database with a billion rows sounds exhausting. Right? Exactly. That's why SQL uses declarative code. Declarative is like ordering a pizza over the phone. You just say, hey, I want a large cheese pizza. You don't care what oven they use. You don't care who drives the car. You just declare what you want. And the database's query optimizer acts like the restaurant manager, magically figuring out the fastest way to get it to your house. If you're wondering why telling the database what to do is so much better than writing a loop yourself, let's look at web design. Imagine you want to make a selected menu button turn blue. Look at the code on the screen. On the left, we use CSS, which is a declarative language. You just say, hey, if the list item is selected, make the background blue. It's 3 lines of beautiful, simple text. Now look at the right. If you use JavaScript, which is imperative, you have to write a massive, ugly loop. You have to grab all the items, loop through them, check the class names, loop through the children, and manually apply the color. It's horrible. But here is the real secret, because declarative code like SQL doesn't force a specific order of steps. It allows the database to freely use multiple CPU cores at the same time to speed things up under the hood. Imperative loops are stuck running on one core. And that, my friends, is why declarative languages rock. Catch you guys in the next chapter.